Good morning. Here are the latest updates in Indian politics and sports for 10th February 2025. Political news. BJP secures victory in Delhi after 27 years. The Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has reclaimed power in New Delhi after nearly 3 decades, winning 48 out of 70 seats in the recent elections. The Aam Aadmi Party, AAP, under Arvind Kejriwal, secured 22 seats. This win bolsters Modi's political standing following a less favorable national election last year. The BJP's campaign promises included financial aid for the underprivileged, women, and the elderly, as well as subsidies for essentials like cooking gas. Modi has pledged to focus on developing Delhi and enhancing residents' quality of life. Opposition protests alleged mistreatment of deported Indians. Opposition lawmakers in India have disrupted parliament proceedings to protest the alleged mistreatment of 104 Indian immigrants deported from the United States. The deportees arrived in Amritsar, reportedly in handcuffs and leg chains, prompting demands for government action. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar noted that U.S. regulations on restraints during deportation flights have been in place since 2012 and assured that the government is engaging with U.S. authorities to prevent such incidents in the future. Prime Minister Modi is expected to discuss immigration issues with President Trump during his upcoming visit to Washington. Sports news. Singapore clinches Asian Netball Championship in India. The 2024 Asian Netball Championship concluded in Bengaluru, with Singapore narrowly defeating Sri Lanka 67-64 to claim their fourth title and first since 2014. The tournament featured 14 teams and was hosted in India for the first time since 1989. Notably, the Pakistan national netball team was unable to participate due to visa denials by Indian authorities amid ongoing geopolitical tensions. Indian shuttlers advance in Thailand Masters. At the Thailand Masters 2025, shuttlers Kidambi Srikanth and Sankar Subramanian have progressed to the quarterfinals, showcasing strong performances. Their advancement keeps India's hopes alive in the tournament. Manav Thakkar and Manush Shah shine in table tennis. Indian table tennis players Manav Thakkar and Manush Shah have made a mark at the WTT Contender Doha 2025. The duo reached the men's doubles final, creating history for India in the tournament. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for future updates and have a wonderful day ahead.